Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a brand new project. Look at this beauty. This one I'm calling the portfolio. So style one, because there will be various styles in the portfolio, and I'll talk to you why I'm saying this is a portfolio. All right, so take a look at this amazing little storage box. All right, this is featuring the Sweet Romance paper collection. It has a 1.5 inch profile. It's got this super duper duper cute option for a closure here, but your closure can be whatever you want it to be. It's got a acetate lid. You open that up like so, and then you have your portfolio. Look at this, how adorable. So check that out. Just want to talk to you about this size really quickly because if you have recently purchased my Simple Folio Style 4, it fits. Okay. If you now with this, you have to be careful on the bulk. All right. So very, very careful. It also would look amazing with various one sheet show offs in there or a combination thereof of the portfolio and the one sheet show off, a couple of one sheet show offs. All right. So lots and lots of possibilities here. Okay, several of my inserts fit in there. So if you are a collector of Paper Phenomenon projects, this little storage box is going to do you well. All right, and you get it with the purchase of any portfolio. So if I have portfolio style 50, you still get the storage box. All right, so it's a freebie. So you're purchasing the portfolio and you get the box as a freebie. All right, so it's a win-win, guys. And when I show you a brand new project, it's always at introductory price. All right, after that first week, the price always goes up. All right, so check it out. Check it out. I will link you down below to all your purchase options as always. So take a look at this beauty, guys. It's got an acetate cover. It opens up like so. So I'm calling this a portfolio because this one is opening up like, this case, if you will. This is the case and everything is housed inside. So I'm just going to open it up very quickly and then I'll take you through all of the fun little mechanisms that are in here. Okay, so take a look at that. All right, so it's got a shaker base. All right, see that? I love it. Okay, so I'm going to close it back up. All right, so this is the portfolio style. So all of my portfolios, whether it be style 1 through 5,000, will be this type of unpacking. Not so much like a folio that it is more like a book. Okay, so let's start from the beginning, my friends. So here we've got, and all of this is for 4x6 photos. All right, everything is sized for 4x6 photos and below. So we've got various options that we can do here, right? We've got this plain area here where you can decorate, treat it like a layout for a photo mat, interactive elements, fun little things that you can pull out and enjoy, right? So these are embellishments from the Sweet Romance collection. Here I've got a couple of the coupons from the coupon book, designated driver, a sentiment. If you are in the Sweet Romance CMC, this is in your project folder already. All right, this is there. Now, if you are not in any of the CMCs, particularly the Sweet Romance one, you can pick this up on its own. I will link you down below. All right, as a standalone project. This opens up. Here we've got this fun little interactive pop-up type of element here, or more like origami type of element here where it just folds into itself, which is super fab. Another little envelope with a card for a photo or a note. Here you've got a little photo booklet, okay, where you can journal, add your photos, etc. All right, so that goes in here. Then over here, let's get that back in there. We've got another little interactive element. I take you through the decorating process in the project folder so you are not left without ideas. I give you a ton of ideas. All right. So some photo mats, right? Then photo mat here. This opens up. Whoopsie. Get back in there. So let's move that over. So see how fabulous this is already? This one has a little spinner element if you wanted to do portrait and or landscape. This one also is a spinner. Okay, portrait and landscape. Then this opens up like so. And here we have another decorative element. So I have lots of projects. And when I say lots, I mean it. That kind of unpack like this. But they have all sorts of different elements. Everything is always different, right? I'm always looking to give you guys new, different, fun, fresh ideas. So I hope you love this version of it. And these will be size exactly like this. These are roughly 9x7s. So you would have this size always to go to that will always fit into the box. All right. So now this opens up like so. Again, I showed you that shaker element. Again, room for the 4x6 photo mat, not 4x6 photo. All right. Which is a difference. Then we made this little pocket within a pocket here. Okay, we've got this fun paper clip here with an embellishment. So when you print those double-sided, you can do the paper clip, which is always super duper fun. And that's it, guys. So it's easy, simple, with the wow factor. I think I showed you this one is an accordion style over here. So these are really good beginner types of projects with wow factor. All right, instant gratification types of projects, and so many possibilities. Great hostess gifts, teachers gifts, yada yada yada. You guys know it. I always make my stuff, these projects, with those types of gift giving ideas in mind. Always, 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 always. So just think about the paper and theme possibilities here. This paper is just amazing. What the CMC is all about, Collection of the Month Club, is all about using up the entire collection with various projects. So I have made various projects with this particular paper collection, and you will not be left with a bunch of leftovers, right? So if you print out the entire paper collection, you will have projects within that CMC to make with this paper collection. Not typically that in the past, it was a one and done project for me with the paper collection. I was done. We have made so many projects featuring this paper collection that you have endless inspiration ideas for this particular paper collection. So I hope you're enjoying the CMC process and this project, which is called Portfolio Style 1. Remember, when you pick up the portfolio, you get the box included. So whether you pick up Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, those are not available yet. I just have Style 1. You will get this box. All right. Oh, there's one well, never mind. You can see that little cool feature in the project folder. There was one cool feature I forgot to show you, but that's okay. You can see it in your project folder when you're building it. You'll be super excited to see it. So really cool little closure here, just a quick little dangle. These little closures that I used here will be in your supply list, so you will be able to pick those up, and look at how fun and fabulous is this. I hope you love it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what paper you're thinking of. What collection do you have just automatically comes to mind when you see a project like this? I'd love to know. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Your purchase options will be linked down below. And thank you so much for enjoying the projects and loving project after project. I truly appreciate you spending your crafty time with me.